National Weather Service Office.
Come back, come on, shut up.
WXJ75 in Springfield. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will automatically be activated to warn of the impending hazard. This test is normally conducted between the hours of 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. unless there is a threat of severe. In that case, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will normally vary with distance from the transmitter. Quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm feature will be activated on the following Central Illinois counties: Cass, Christian, Duluth, Logan, Macon, Freedom, Moultrie, and Charlotte. We now return to regular programming. And surrounding areas of Central Illinois.
Nice.
West of today.